Hello. I often get asked the question, does Pilates really matter in people's lives? Well, let's find out. I think it's important that as a Pilates teacher, you really find your value as a teacher. So let me tell you why what you do is so valuable in the world. Because when you share the knowledge that you have about movement, you are impacting people's lives on a very positive level. You are doing work that helps other people to grow. They are feeling more comfortable in their bodies. They are able to get more out of life. You're directly contributing to their quality of life. What you are teaching people can really change somebody's life. So what you're doing as a teacher really matters. And this positive effect you have on people has a ripple effect, because that will mean that the other people that your clients come into contact with will notice the change or will benefit from somebody being less grumpy because they're not in pain, or being able to do more with them because they're no longer in pain and they can move better. So you go on to touch other people that you're not even teaching purely because of your movement teaching strategies. Movement is the only thing, it's the only activity in life that impacts absolutely all of our body systems. It is crucial for us to be healthy, both mentally and physically. So what we do matters. What we as Pilates offer the world is extremely valuable and very important. The genius of movement is that it is anti-aging. The more flexible you are, the more strength you have, the more you know how to look after your body to stay stable and secure, the better you are going to age, the longer you will be able to do the things in life that matter most to you. Movement also helps to protect our nervous system. So good movement helps us to stave off the effects of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Movement has a positive effect on both your mood, your mental health, and your physical ability. So when you move, you're impacting all of that person. When you're helping somebody to move better, you are impacting the entire person, not just their physical body. So movement contributes to our clients' lives in all areas. How amazing is that? It is worth celebrating. So you are changing lives every single day by standing up and helping people to move better. You are leaving a very powerful mark on the world. Every single time you step into the studio, every single time that you teach a class, you are living a purposeful life. How many people can say that? I know that each and every one of us as Pilates teachers can definitely say that. It has kept me in the industry for 27 years, and I have no intention of stopping, because I believe that what we do is extremely valuable and makes such a positive contribution to the world. Now, if you'd like to know how to level up your Pilates teaching skills so that you can be even more effective, then I invite you to join me for the Teaching Movement with Confidence course and coaching program. Over the 10 weeks that we are together, I will help you to turn the knowledge that you have into a strong community of committed clients, but also it will help to build your legacy of what you are contributing to the world. I'm sure that you don't want to wait around to make the magic happen. I will be helping you every step of the way, so get in contact with me so that your skills can help people take ownership of their movement journeys and that they can be even more successful. The way to contact me is either through my email or through my website, and I can tell you more about this amazing program. So thank you for joining me, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.